In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an OnlyFans subscription, Easy Guide 2026. If you want to stop a subscription from renewing on OnlyFans, the process is simple once you know where to look. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it using a browser step by step so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, go to the OnlyFans website in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or use different browsers on different devices. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options appear properly. After that, look for the subscriptions section and click on it. This area shows the creators you're currently subscribed to, and it's where you manage your active memberships. If you have several subscriptions, take your time and locate the specific creator whose subscription you want to cancel. Once you've selected the creator, find the subscription settings for that account. Depending on the current layout of the website, this may appear as a settings option, a menu button, or a renewal-related control near the creator's subscription details. The key thing you're looking for is the setting that manages whether the subscription continues automatically. When you find it, disable auto-renew. This is the setting that controls whether your subscription renews at the end of the current billing period. Turning it off does not usually remove your access immediately. In most cases, it simply prevents the next payment from being charged, so you can continue using the subscription until the current paid period ends. After disabling auto-renew, confirm the change if prompted. This final confirmation is important because it saves the update to your account. Once it's confirmed, your subscription should no longer renew automatically. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double-check the creator's subscription page afterward to make sure the renewal setting has actually been turned off. You may see a message or status update showing that auto-renew has been disabled. That can give you peace of mind and help avoid unexpected charges later. And that's it. That's how to cancel an OnlyFans subscription through a browser. If this is your first time doing it, just move slowly through each screen and confirm the setting before you leave the page.